Hello, 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 hello. So, this is our first YouTube video, and the today's topic is a basic Q&A about both of us. And as we progress, the questions will change. So, let me know what you guys think. So, let me start with the first question. Who was more nervous before starting this video?
The I am not nervous at all.
She's still nervous. She is still nervous. So the answer is her. Who said, let's make a Q&A video first? On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you to answer these questions?
5.
5. Okay. Who is more camera shy between us?
मैं
Yeah, obviously her. Who messes up takes more? Absolutely her. So we have to take like 5 to 10 shots to get one shot.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं
ऐसा ही
होता है,
है।
ऐसा नहीं होता निशान, अभी लड़ाई हो
ये ठीक नहीं है,
जाएगी।
इसमें वो ठीक नहीं है, इसमें लाइटिंग ठीक नहीं है, इसमें मेरे को अच्छी नहीं आ रही. Okay, who adjusts the framing, lighting, angle too much?
मैं
Even though everything was perfect before we started this video, ये ले भैया वार्म लाइट लगाई थी, वो बंद हो गई. तो ये वार्म लाइट लगाई मैंने, परफेक्ट एंगल, परफेक्ट इसकी जो सेटिंग होती है,
सेकंड हाई वाली,
बट यही ये तो तुमने गलत लगाई है. एंड गेस व्हाट, इट्स डिस्चार्ज. सो फक इट. So one thing about each other that annoys you before hitting record. So you go first.
annoys you.
तो
Okay.
जब हम वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करना स्टार्ट करते हैं,
let me speak, please. Okay, so I don't like your camera. I don't like your phone camera. I don't know उसमें इतनी काली क्यों लगती हूँ मैं, मुझे नहीं समझ आता है, पर मुझे वो बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. और आप हमेशा मुझे फोर्स करते हो, नहीं यही अच्छा है, मेरा तो सैमसंग है, यही अच्छा है.
So I have a Samsung S23 Ultra, which
बहुत ही
has,
बेकार है.
which has an amazing camera, amazing phone overall. She has an iPhone 15.
iPhone वाले
Pro, is this a Pro? Just 15, right? iPhone 15. इससे videos, photos, absolutely कचरा. Because this is not like the Pro or Pro Max, so इससे नहीं आती है वीडियो.
नहीं, इससे इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है. नहीं.
Most importantly, we were discussing this the other day. When you're recording a video, what is the most easiest and common thing that you should be able to do?
अच्छा ठीक है.
No. So she was recording a video like this from the front cam, and I said, we were in the car. तो मैंने कहा कि जो आगे बंदा चल रहा है, देखो कितना funny है, कुछ there was something about him, उसे record करो. So instead of clicking a button to flip the camera, because apparently iPhone doesn't have that option, she did this, like this. And I was like,
ये ऑप्शन नहीं है तुम्हारे फोन में, सीरियसली आईफोन में ये ऑप्शन नहीं है.
even the most basic camera app, which is Snapchat, even Snapchat has that option.
अच्छा ठीक है यार, नेक्स्ट चलो.
Moving forward, before we start fighting, some basic questions about us both. How old are you?
23.
No, she is not 23. She is 32. In a few months, she will be 33. Me, I am 31. In October, I will be turning 32. And yes, she is an year older to me. Year 6 months. Where are we originally from? So I'm from Ghaziabad. I don't know if I should share that. So yeah, I was born and brought up in Ghaziabad.
हरियाणा,
What Haryana?
कुंडली, सोनीपत हरियाणा.
Okay. Yeah. So she's from Haryana and I'm from UP, Ghaziabad. Where do we currently live? So as we
Ghaziabad,
got
yes.
married last year, we live in Ghaziabad.
What do we both do for a living? Okay, so he's a corporate mazdoor.
No, talk about yourself. I will talk about myself.
I'm searching for job right now. I'm not.
So she's
not doing
being
anything.
she's being too humble. She is a nutritionist. She has like 5 more educational degrees than I have. She is a certified nutritionist. So any of you guys, if you want to have your weight loss journey started, या फिर gym में if you want to diet, you
Okay,
should
so
definitely talk to her.
जब वेट लॉस की बात करते हैं तो बहुत से आप लोग सोचोगे कि आप ये इन पे क्यों नहीं ट्राई करते हो. वो इसलिए क्योंकि ये मेरी इतनी सी भी नहीं सुनते हैं, इतनी सी भी.
Yeah, that's obvious, right? We are married. I'm not supposed
हाँ, so
to
doesn't
follow
mean कि
her.
आप मेरी सुनोगे ही नहीं.
No, but I do listen to her. Some of the things, it's like, no, I want to do it. But most of it, I do listen to her because she has great knowledge. So me, I work for a media company based in US. I am the manager and I manage a team of 5 to 6 people. And I work like US hours. So during the daytime, as we are recording this video, we are free. Next question. Who works more hours? So I work 8 hours, but she works the whole day because she helps around the house, breakfast, helping me clean the room. She cooks dinner for me as well. So yeah,
Oh
I
my
think she
God.
works more hours. Who complains more about work?
मैं करती हूँ. मैं चलो मैं करती हूँ.
Who has more patience?
नहीं, मुझ में भी है.
I have more patience. Who takes decisions faster? She is the most
Indecisive person
undecisive
I have ever
person
met.
ever. Like if you will tell her these are the 2 choices, life or death, भाई एक चुनना ही चुन. दूसरा चुन दे तो ठीक है, चाहे मौत आ जाए उसमें.
पहले दोनों ट्राई करके देख.
हाँ, पहले दोनों ट्राई होंगे. ये छोड़ दो, क्लिक होता है इनको. Okay, so part 3 of our Q&A.
How did we first meet?
Relationship origin story. So how did we first meet? So she will tell you about that.
Okay. How did we first meet? Okay, so we met through matrimonial site, which is shadi.com.
Yeah.
Shadi.com, and I was not ready for marriage at all, but मैंने थोड़ा रहम किया कि चलो ठीक है, इतना पीछे पड़े तो कर ही लेती हूँ.
So I'll tell you what happened. She is absolutely gorgeous, as you all can see, as I saw as well. So when I saw her in the matrimonial app, and I was like, shit, I want to have a conversation with her, even though we might not get married. So I kind of put, and I used to get a reply like I respond, and then she replies within a day, and then I respond instantly, and then she replies in a day. So finally we came to that point जब कॉल पे बात करने की बात आई. She gave me her number. No, I gave her my number, and she called me instantly. Apparently I only had 15 minutes because उसके बाद मेरी back to back meetings थी. शाम का टाइम था. So I told her like, let me finish up my work and then I will call you back. So she is like, she plays PUBG with her friends. So रात के time it was a difficult decision for her because she was going to play and she was making a decision to either talk to me or
play PUBG.
So she did pick up my call. And as you so what you may know, like we did talk for hours. Like I was at the top of my game when we started talking. So yeah, we talked for like 5-6 hours, and then I think
हो गया
we met
बस
in
हो
a
गया
week.
हो गया
Who texted first? I texted first.
who is more interested initially
Me. How long did we talk before meeting in real life? I think 2 weeks.
I guess so
Yeah,
हाँ
like
2
2
weeks
weeks.
2 or 1 I don't know
What was your
exact
first
number.
impression of me?
Good, cute,
That's it.
that's it.
Okay. I think my impression was similar as well, but I did really like the vibe. And yeah, obviously she's cute. So, what was the most awkward moment on our first meet?
I don't remember actually but जब हम मिले थे तो हम भूल गए कि हम कहाँ खड़े हैं कहाँ हमें जाना है हम सीपी में मिले थे राइट तो सीपी एक बहुत ही क्राउडेड एरिया है तो वहां पर जब मुझे आप दिख नहीं रहे थे तो हमने शायद लाइव लोकेशन ली एक दूसरे की ये कहाँ हो राइट
Yeah.
फिर हम ढूंढते हुए जा रहे थे सी ब्लॉक से डी ब्लॉक से कहाँ हो मैं लोकेशन देख रही थी आप उधर से चल रहे हो फिर एकदम से जब मैं इस तरफ से आई हूँ और आप मुझे सामने खड़े हो सारे लोग उस तरफ जा रहे हो और आप ऐसे खड़े हो बीच में ऐसे फ्लावर लेके और जैसे मैं गई आपने ऐसे रोज का फ्लावर ऐसे करा और वो बहुत ही अजीब था इतने सारे लोगों के बीच में ऐसे
Okay. So I didn't think there was anything awkward for me. I mean, it was for her. पर मेरे लिए मुझे नहीं लगता कुछ ऐसा awkward था. So let's move on. Who fell in love first? बोलो.
क्या
तुम बोलो.
मेरे को क्या बता रहे हो आप बताओ
तुम बताओ.
एक साथ हुए थे हम
एक साथ हुए थे. Who said I love you first?
मैं
Who proposed? How did it happen?
ये तो हम आई थिंक ये तो
So,
कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है ऑब्वियसली
Yeah,
हम
it
वी
was
मेट
like
हाँ
a mutual decision.
Mhm.
You know, हाँ. So,
Who-
would you change anything about that proposal?
ये भी
Probably
हाँ
not. It was pretty good. Physical differences, public judgment. So, do people stare at us in public?
Sometimes.
I think they do
Huh.
because we do have a little bit of height difference. She is 5'3" and I'm 6 feet. So, have people ever commented on your height, looks, pairing?
हाँ पहले
क्या?
जब when I was 25 or 26 years old तब मैं थोड़ी अच्छी दिखती थी
No, तुम अब भी बहुत अच्छी लगती हो. That is not the point.
तो हाँ बहुत से लोगों ने कमेंट करे हैं जब ऑफिस जाती थी या
नहीं. The question is commented on height, looks,
हाँ.
pairing of us.
ओके सो इट्स अबाउट
Us, yeah.
हाइट के ऊपर तो बहुत हुआ है मेरी फैमिली में भी कई बार कहते हैं कि मतलब आई एम फ्रॉम हरियाणा सो वो हरियाणवी में बोलते हैं छोरी तो छोटी रहेगी तो
चलो ठीक है, let's move on. Does it even bother you?
नो
No.
Not at all.
Nah, yeah, it doesn't even bother me as well. What's the funniest comment we have received about us?
वही छोरी तो छोटी रहेगी
छोरी तो छोटी रहेगी. How do you deal with judgment or opinions from others?
We ignore that, हाँ.
I don't really care
हाँ.
about what people think, so we do ignore that. One thing you want people to stop asking us.
let them do that we don't care
Okay, so next part, family and marriage question. What was our parents' first reaction to each other?
mutual
I think it
there's
was mutual. They
हाँ.
both really liked
हाँ.
me, and everybody liked her, so it was all good. It was the next question is was it a love marriage or arranged marriage?
It was love plus arrange we can say that
Yeah, because before we got married, we were like really into each other. So I think we found the perfect match. Was convincing parents easy or difficult? I think it was semi-ish because marriage is a big decision. तो बहुत सारी चीजें सोचनी पड़ती हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें देखनी पड़ती हैं. So it was a bit of discussion, but
next
everything
question
was,
who adjusted more after marriage I
obviously
do.
her.
हाउ डेयर यू।
ऑब्वियसली मैंने ये तो कहा,
हाँ,
ऑब्वियसली हर,
हाँ
नहीं ऑब्वियसली हर, बिकॉज बहुत मुश्किल होता है एक घर को छोड़ के दूसरे घर जाना, knowing nobody and trying to adjust in a new house, new family. So 1 साल हो गया है, 1+ year हमारी
हाँ।
शादी को, but it's a difficult journey. It has its ups, it has its downs, but yeah, it's much adjusting for her, for me as well. Like भाई मेरे को नहीं आदत किसी के साथ रहने की। मैं मैं अकेला रहता था शादी से पहले अपने रूम में। आई हैड माई ओन स्पेस, मैं जो करना चाहता था वो करता था, बट एडजस्टिंग दोनों के अलग अलग लेवल पे अलग अलग है। इसको अलग कॉम्प्रोमाइज करने पड़े हैं, एडजस्टिंग करनी पड़ रही है, मेरे को अलग करने पड़े हैं, वेयर वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट ईच अदर एज वेल। बिगेस्ट मिसकंसेप्शन पीपल हैव अबाउट आवर मैरिज।
कोई ऐसा, मुझे तो अभी तक ऐसा कुछ फेस करना नहीं पड़ा कि लोगों को ऐसा मिसकंसेप्शन हो, है ना?
नहीं, नो मिसकंसेप्शन। So one thing your parents love about your partner.
ओके सो मेरे पेरेंट्स, उन्हें लगता है कि मैं बहुत ही चालू चपटी औरत हूँ, तो और निशान बहुत ही सीधे साधे से हैं। उन्हें लगता है कि कितना
है।
शरीफ, कितना सीधा साधा सा लड़का मिला है तुझे, तो इसकी हर बात माननी चाहिए। उन्हें ऐसा लगता है, जबकि एक्चुअली क्या है, नहीं एक्चुअल क्या है चीजें वो मुझे पता है।
So
चालू
मेरे लिए my parents do love her because इसने मेरे को, जो कहते हैं ना शादी के बाद आपकी बीवी आपको लाइन पे ला देगी, she has done that in a sense कि इसने मेरे को रिस्पॉन्सिबल बना दिया है बहुत चीज़ों में। So that's one thing which she has done. Okay, so moving on to next part, daily life and real marriage struggle. Who wakes up earlier?
me always।
Who sleeps first?
मैं
Who cooks better?
मैं
It depends. Who eats more? Yeah, इसकी बिल्कुल appetite नहीं है। Who spends more money? Answer. Do we split finances or keep it flexible? We do keep it flexible mostly, but we do keep them sort of split as well, so that we are not really dependent on each other, और थोड़ा खुद भी independent हो, but we are always flexible. Who is more emotional? मैं? No, तुम हो emotional.
हम दोनों हैं। चलो
Who says sorry first after the fight? Who stays quiet and who wants to talk immediately? Stays quiet for hours. I want to talk immediately. Biggest fight we have had without details.
हाँ, हम नहीं देंगे डिटेल्स।
Yeah, so
बहुत बार
हुई
हुई
है,
है,
बहुत
बहुत
काफी
बार,
बार
हाँ।
हुई है। How long does it take us to resolve arguments?
One day actually, one day,
Usually-
sometimes one day।
3 to 6 business hours. हाँ मतलब 6-8 घंटे एक दिन में हो जाता है। So who is next part? Who is more romantic?
मैं
Who is, अच्छा, what is the most romantic thing you have done for me?
मैं आगे चलो आगे चलो आगे चलो।
Who is more practical?
यू चलो चलो।
Who is more dramatic? Who is more lazy?
निशांत।
Who is more disciplined?
क्या है? What do you mean?
I am disciplined.
अभी वीडियो बंद करो, अभी बताते
एक मिनट। I am disciplined. You are not.
निशांत, मैं डिसिप्लिन।
How?
हाँ, क्या क्या करते हो
No,
आप?
how are you disciplined?
टाइम पे उठना, टाइम पे सोना, टाइम पे खाना, टाइम पे सब करना, टाइम पे सब करना, और आप रुक जाओ ना 10 मिनट, रुक जाओ ना, वो डिसिप्लिन ही होता है वो भी।
अभी मैं डिटेल्स में चला जाऊंगा, फिर हो जाएगी बस। Who would survive better alone? Who is better with kids? I hate kids. Who gets angry faster? Who forgives faster? Instantly. Who is secretly more sensitive?
I think
I
निशांत।
think her. मैं कैसे
आप हो सेंसिटिव, आप हु करना शुरू कर देते हो।
आई थिंक
Enough.
काफी हो गए हैं
हाँ।
आज के लिए. सो गाइस, दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. ये हम यहीं खत्म करते हैं. वी विल ट्राई टू मेक like at least 2 to 3 videos a week, and do like, subscribe, share with your friends, family, and if you like this video, love you too.